everyone, this is Mia Perez and I'm super excited to be here sharing my first video tutorial as part of the Altenew scrapbook design team. It is such an honor for me to be here sharing my creations using the awesome Altenew products. In today's video, I'm going to be working with the Festive Foliage stamp set, which you can see here on the screen. In case you didn't know, the Altenew stamp sets come with a trifold insert in which you can find the layering guide of the stamp, some card ideas, as well as ink color suggestions. This particular set also has a coordinating die set, which is perfect because let's be honest, you guys, dies make our lives so much easier, right? Okay, so let's get started. For this layout, I focused on using the hearts that come in the stamp set. I started by stamping the solid heart several times using different colors of ink, and then I created a mask which helped me add the second layer of the heart. Once I finished with the stamping part, I punched some holes with a paper piercer around each and every one of the hearts, and then added some hand stitching using color coordinating embroidery thread. I just love adding hand stitching to my layouts because it adds such a fun look and gives you a lot of texture and dimension. Okay, so then I positioned all of the hearts on my page in a way that they looked like they were flowers, and added some wood buttons from the Reflection Scrapbook collection in the center of them. I forgot to mention that I also heat embossed on vellum paper using the antique gold embossing powder some leafy hearts and used them like leaves and positioned them under the flowers. The next part of the process was actually way easier. I just chose the title of the page and added some fun embellishments here and there. I also added some washi tape strips on both sides of my layout just to complete the design. Okay, so I wanted to mention that I have two more ideas using the Festive Foliage stamp set over at the Altenew Scrapbook blog, so make sure to visit the blog post to get even more inspiration, and as always, the link is down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll be really happy to help you. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring that little bell so you don't miss any new videos from the super talented Altenew team. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!